Captain Bob Danbury, and I'd like to welcome you to MGB Trippin. This channel is all about taking my MG out onto the open road for the ultimate car show. There are tens of millions of people who have no idea what an MG is. But let's change that. Don't worry, plenty of my videos will have information about maintenance tips and how to work on your MG, but I'm going to leave most of that to the folks over at University Motors. If you like our videos, hit the like button, and if you really like them and you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button. We would really appreciate that. And always remember, follow the instructions of the flight attendant. And I'm always open for comments and suggestions. Leave a note for me and I'll get right back with you. Happy motoring.